Bulgaria is a country of stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. It is known for its breathtaking mountains, peaceful valleys, and sandy beaches along the Black Sea. The country offers a perfect mix of history, traditions, and modern charm. Visitors can enjoy its vibrant festivals, delicious cuisine, and warm hospitality. Bulgaria's scenic landscapes and unique experiences make it a fascinating destination for travelers. Number 5. Felico Tarnovo. Felico Tarnovo is a historic city built on hills. Its star attraction is the Tsarovets fortress, which offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into Bulgaria's medieval past. Number 4. Bansko. Bansko is Bulgaria's top ski resort and a great destination for winter sports. During summer, it's perfect for hiking and exploring the Pirene Mountains. Number 3. Nessar. Often called the Pearl of the Black Sea, Nessar is a small town full of ancient ruins and sandy beaches. Its old town is a UNESCO site and great for exploring on foot. Number 2. Lake Dospat. Lake Dospat is a peaceful and scenic spot in the Rhodope Mountains. Surrounded by lush forests, it's perfect for camping, fishing, or simply enjoying nature. Number 1. Sofia. Sofia, the capital of Bulgaria, is a mix of history and modernity. The city is full of ancient landmarks like Alexander Nevsky Cathedral and Roman ruins. You'll also find trendy cafes and parks to relax.